Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver. In this video, we'll talk about CMAT 2021 tentative notification. So we'll look at all the important tentative dates for the exam. Accordingly, we have to think about our preparation. This is how human minds work, guys. When we get the dates, accordingly we take the action. So this video is for all of them, those who are still sleeping and not yet started their preparation. So it is high time to get serious about your career. Alright, so this is what the tentative dates for CMAT 2021. Application will start by November 1st week and last date for the application December 1st week. Admit card will release by December last week and your exam will be January end, and after then in the month of Feb you will be getting your result, and after then college admission process start. Although it is tentative timetable, but it will give the boost in your action because you got the date for the exam. Alright, next is paper pattern. 100 question overall, 3 hours paper it is, which is nothing but 180 minutes time. So CMAT is the exam where you have a much time, guys. Time बहुत है अपने पास CMAT में. So if you are writing a CMAT paper, so दो प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. पहला, या तो मुझे क्वेश्चन नहीं आता, या तो मैं टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने में, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो द शॉर्टकट. अदरवाइज CMAT के एग्जाम में टाइम बहुत है आपके पास. यू कैन easily hit 300 plus का स्कोर to end up with the top MBA colleges. So exam mode will be your online. All the section have 20-25 questions. 4 marks for each question, so overall 100 marks section it will be. So overall 100 questions for 400 marks, and ideal target one should keep 300 plus out of 400 marks. Next is about the detailed syllabus, guys. Please pause the video and go through all this syllabus. For mathematics and data interpretation, arithmetic is the dominating area, then algebra, these are the topic, number system, modern maths, geometry and mensuration, and after then data interpretation. So please pause the video and jot down this topic, guys, and prepare for the same. Next is your language, which is nothing but verbal ability. Reading comprehension is the dominating area. Critical reasoning, idioms and phrases, para completion and paragraph jumble, grammar based question, part of speech and the figure of speech. After then fill up, sentence improvement and correction, vocab sort of a question, antonyms and synonyms. So if you are reading newspaper on daily basis, then you can easily hit good score in this area, irrespective of whichever medium you belong, whether you are English medium or vernacular medium, doesn't matter. Then comes your logical reasoning, traditional, verbal and critical and analytical. These are the three types of the logic you will be getting in the CMAT exam. Traditional logic, all these are the topic. Verbal and the critical, these are the topic. For arrangement, you have to prepare linear, circular, distribution and selection type of the question. So for analytical, you have to practice varieties of puzzle, varieties of arrangement. For verbal and critical reasoning, you need to have a good understanding, and for traditional logic, you should know the shortcut. This is how you have to tackle each area, guys, from the logical reasoning. Fourth is the toughest section of the CMAT, general awareness. 60 to 70% data comes from the static and 30% approximate data comes from the current affairs. So you have to prepare all the static topic very well, like history, geography, polity, economic, science and tech, all this topic. Current affairs, you have to update it with all the national and the international news. This is what the problem with many of the students. 70 to 80% of students don't score good marks, and because of that they don't get the top MBA colleges for their MBA program. So why they don't score good marks? Because of the quant and the GK. So those who are thinking कि मेरा maths अच्छा नहीं है, they have to work more on the practice part. And for GK, you have to read lots of data, guys, because GK is very uncertain. They can ask anything. And on the other hand, GK syllabus is very vast, so you can never be sure that whatever data you have gone through, you will be getting the question from that area. You have to read lots of data so that you can keep yourself in the safer side. So logic में आराम से marks आ जाएगा. English में if you are good with the reading part, तो यहाँ पे भी score आराम से आ जाएगा. Problem है quant and GK में, तो इस पे ज़्यादा work करो day 1 से. So logic is all about 50-50 question, हर topic से practice किया हो गया. English is all about the reading part. Next is about the CMAT 2021 online live classes batch we have launched. If you want to join online live classes batch, you can contact on this number and you can enroll for the batches. And this is what the curriculum of your live classes. So all the topic you will be learning from the basic, where you have to clear out all the concept, and you will be getting the ebooks for the practice purpose. You will be getting the mock test series, topic and the full length mock test. Throughout the preparation, you will be preparing approximate 5,000 plus questions, syllabus wise or verbal, which is nothing but English, quant, logic and general awareness. Major focus will be on GK, reading comprehension and quant. So it is approximate 100 hours plus classes along with your doubt class, and all those who are joining, for them there will be WhatsApp group, and after the result we go for the GDPI preparation. So those who want to join for this batch, kindly contact on this number and you can enroll for this batch. And in case if you want to join for the online programs like books, if you want to order, you want to join for the mock test separately, sectional course or the pre-recorded videos in full course program, you can log on to manuedu.com/MBA entrance. And live classes for 2021 and 22, you can contact on 8828581455. All the very best for your preparation, guys. Thank you.